NRM Tanga Odoi ategeezezza nga bwe batandise okunoonyereza ku mivuyo egy'ekiise mu kulonda kw'ekibiina Ssembabule ekyavuddeko akalulu kano ak'okumutendera gwa disitulikiti okuyiika ng'enjogera y'ennaku zino weeri.
In mainstream and women over disagreement, election of the mainstream and representation of women over disagreement on the number of voters. This was the same thing. It was in Lira district as well as in the Kwania district. There was also disruption of electoral activities in Kole, in Ilango. In Amolata, also in Ilango, we suspended election because some of the candidates had taken over the delegates and kept them in Lira. So we allowed them to keep them longer, continue feeding them, and we are going to have that election tomorrow. The whole repeat elections in Ilango will be in Lira district, in Kwania, in Kole, and in Amolata to fill up those positions. In Amolata, no election took place because of hiding of voters, and we are going to test the ground with them tomorrow. If they again hide the voters, we shall push that election to after the presidential elections of 2026. So that they keep those voters up to after the presidential election of 2026.
Akalulu ku mutendera gwa disitulikiti mu kibiina kya NRM kayiise ng'enjogera bweri era ng'okuvuganya kwabadde wakati w'omubaka Theodore Ssekikubo ne munnamagye awummula Emmanuel Rwashande bonna babadde balwanira kifo kya ssentebe w'ekibiina ekyo.
In Ssembabule, elections were disrupted because of disagreements between two camps. Our Commissioner, Ambassador Honorable Shinobe, did his best, but failed to convince them that the party needs leaders, not people who are quarreling. We have just met the leaders today, this morning, the vehicles you see driving out, and we have agreed that we shall have a meeting of the leaders on the 28th, which is Wednesday, here. We shall meet them here on 28th Wednesday.
Dr. Tanga Odoi agamba batandise okunoonyereza okuzuulira ddala ekyabaddewo embeera eno enogerwa eddagala kino. Okulonda kweno kwa kuyimirizibwa ku nnambiro okutuuka nga okulonda okwa bonna kuwedde omwaka ogujja.
To agree on the modus operandi. Also to tell them the powers of the commission, that is a commission that organizes elections, not individuals. Once we agree, we shall then have election in Ssembabule on the 30th, Friday the 30th, May 2025. For avoidance of doubt and without fear of any contradiction, if that election fails to take off, even after meeting the leaders, we shall postpone it to June 2026, after the presidential election.
Odoi agamba okulonda mu bifo ewali enkaayana n'eyo gye kutaali mu Uganda yonna bya kwakubeerayo olunaku olw'enkya.